Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to remove Pictory AI watermark from video. So stick around to the end of the video so you can understand how you can do this. As you can see in this video, we have a watermark here. Now, in order to remove it, we're going to be using Media IO. Right away, we're going to log in. If you're using it for the first time, you're going to click on sign up. We're going to do this. Right here, we're going to use our Google to log in. And now that we're signed in, we're going to scroll down to look for some of the tools. Now, there are lots of tools here on Media IO, and you can see watermark remover. We're going to come over here, so we're going to click on it. Now, you have two options, of course. You could download it for free, and you can try it online. For this tutorial, we'll be trying it online, and right here, we'll need to upload the video. You have the drag and drop feature, or you can click on the upload here button. And now we have our video here. We're going to go over to the brush size. As we can see, the brush is pretty small. We're going to increase it from 25 to about 50. You can see we need to increase it a bit more, so we're going to go over to 80. This looks better, so we're going to highlight the watermark. Just make sure to carefully go over it. Don't need too much, and this is fine. And when you're done selecting the area, you're going to go to the bottom right corner where you have the button Remove Objects Now. After clicking on it, you're just going to have to wait for a moment for the process to complete. Great, and now that the video is done, if you look at the top left corner, you're not going to see the watermark. We can go ahead and play it. Awesome, right? So now you have the option to download it or upload a new file. We're going to, of course, download it. And now that it's downloaded, you have successfully removed the watermark from the video using Media IO. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.